In this video, we're going to answer a key question, which is which size Halcyan is right for my home? You'll be pleased to know that for most UK homes, the H209 is ideal. It's got a fabulous range. For a Halcyan unit to be working at its best, it needs regular turbulent flow. This is where the size is important, because for Halcyan, bigger really isn't necessarily better. We generally have three factors that we keep an eye on to see whether you step outside the normal range for the H209. The first item is how many people there are living in the property. Obviously, the more people you have, the more likely it is you'll be using water at the same time, increasing the demand on flow at that point. This isn't usually an issue in most homes. However, where you regularly have 5 or more people living together, it's worth just flagging that up. The biggest user of household water is the shower. The more showers you have and the more people to use them, the greater the demand for water. But ask yourself, how often, really, does everyone jump in the shower all at the same time? Again, if you think you're likely to have more than 2 showers going at any one point in time, that might be worth flagging up to us. The other thing with showers is they can be real water guzzlers. This is particularly so if you have one or more of those large rain drench systems. If you think any of your shower heads are over 300 millimeters in diameter, that's what we'd consider large, and we assume may have a hefty demand on flow rate. So again, you might want to let us know about that. These days, many properties have combi-boilers with mains-fed systems throughout the house. And the H209 is fine with this, unless you have one of those aforementioned giant shower heads. Other properties may have cold water storage tanks and or hot water cylinders, unvented or otherwise. Here again, the H209 is normally the right choice, as these storage systems act as a buffer at times of peak demand. But if you think your system is unusual or there's something you're not sure about, don't hesitate to contact us and we'll help you make sure you get the right unit first time. So hopefully that's been useful and you feel a bit more confident in choosing the appropriate unit for your home. But if you would like some assistance, please do get in touch either by email at info@halcyanwater.com or just give us a call on 0345 50 40 656. We look forward to speaking to you soon.